trying to learn kanji? Click the link in the description to get a free ebook and study along with this lesson.
Welcome to Kanji time! Today we are going to review N3 kanji. Let's do it! If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. This kanji means take, get, remove, choose. The on-reading for this kanji is 取, as in 取材, meaning data collection. And the kun-reading is と, as in 取り調べる, which means to interrogate. おい、本当のことを言いなさい。君はあの夜、私のアイスクリームを食べたのか食べてないのか取り調べる。This kanji means accept, answer, get, catch, receive. The on-reading for this kanji is 受, like in 受験生, which means test taker. And the kun-reading is う, like in 受け入れる, meaning to accept. This kanji means number, title, pseudonym, signal. The on-reading for this kanji is 号, like in 番号, which means number. 電話番号。ピッピッピッピッピッピッピッピッ。Hello? もしもし And 信号 meaning traffic light, signal. 赤信号、青信号、黄信号。This kanji means facing, beyond, confront, tend toward, approach. The on-reading is こう, like in 反対方向, meaning opposite direction, 反対方向. And the kun-reading is む, like in 向こう側, meaning the other side. 川の向こう側. This kanji means ruler, name suffix, you. The on-reading for this kanji is 君, as in 何々君. 君. A form of address that follows a boy or younger person's name. And the kun reading is 君, as in 君が代, meaning the Japanese national anthem. 君が代笑っちゃダメだ、怒られる。Quiz time. Say the reading of the following kanji. 取材。向こう側。何々くん。受け入れる。信号。Now say the meaning of the following words. 反対方向。opposite direction. 受験生。test taker. 君が代。The Japanese national anthem. 取り調べる。To interrogate. 番号。number. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you! それでは皆さん、良い一日を。また次の漢字タイムで。バイバイ